Mediante el deliberación del budget del City Mayor's Office más y aumenta y no hay mengua. Es el cosa de clarificar Vice Chairman del Committee on Appropriations na Consejal Joselito Litit Macrohon na press conference ese viernes. Asigur con Consejal Macrohon, necesita lang sila cambia el account pero bajo siyempre na Mayor's Office, igual na lang na budget del mga vida program.
Media mo!
Una-una, el Cuida Vida pati kasagulong Salvavida. Originally, tali el na CSWD. Kasi under el na account title of other MOE. Now, if we will change the program into cash subsidy, hindi ka kung nila pwede mag-maintain siyempre under CSWD. Dapat el account title, usa kita, is donations. And nakil donations, account title, under the umbrella del City Mayor's Office. So actually, yumenta pa kami kita el fondo del Mayor's Office.
Media mo!
El City Mayor's Office según amo tiene de con todo grande alocado budget e hindi el City Engineer's Office como cosa del primero te aparece.
Media mo!
Siman total gano'n kita el total budget del City Government kasi kita by office. El Mayor's Office el pinakagrande fondo na di ating total budget. Hindi gano'n el City Engineer's Office, it's the Mayor's Office kasi manadagat ko na el opisina or division under the umbrella del Mayor's Office.
Thank you for watching this video. Like us on Facebook for more news update. eMedia Mo official Facebook page. For comments, suggestions, or any concerns, please feel free to email us at emediamo@gmail.com. Subscribe now.
Southern City Colleges, the school that cares.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Ako si Police Officer 1, Abdul Tal Ilayam Buranis. Member ako Philippine National Police. Graduate ako ma Southern City Colleges, ma course Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Ug sarang sukol ako ma Southern City Colleges. Ibuanan ako ma scholarship pag-school ko. Ahiyata bang ituma ako para maka-graduate ako ma pag-school ko. Southern City Colleges, the school that cares for you.
Southern City Colleges. Visit us at our Central Campus, Pilar Street, Zamboanga City. Southern City Colleges West Campus at San Jose Gusu, or Southern City Colleges East Campus at Divisoria. You may contact us at 991-1847. Southern City Colleges, the school that cares.